Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in my little hick town of Belfair, Washington. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So this is February 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 25. Yes, 25. That's why I've been doubling up on all of these videos lately. Can you imagine if I hadn't? I would be well into the late March by now, so I had to double up. So here we go. So let's take a look at this kit. It's called Hello Spring. I think it should be called Hello Herb. So you could have made 3 of this one, 3 of this one, and 3 of this one, and you would have got these wonderful 9 envelopes to cut open and use. This QR code would lead you to a video to show you how to put these cards together as they were designed. Down here list the coordinating colors. Now videos 1 through 5, I show you everything that comes into the kit. Then after that, I just move on with creating what I love doing the most, is just playing with my kit. So as always, you get a visual of everything in the kit. Over here, this one would lead you to how to purchase the add-on dies called Spring is in the Air. They coordinate with January, February, and March Paper Pumpkin Kit. These two are the chives. These two, the bee and the honeycomb, will go with March's kit. Over here we have the chives. You can cut that little chives right off. It doesn't hurt it at all. Thanks for helping me grow. Happy Easter. Hello Spring for you. Sending love to a wonderful friend. And the little chive blossom and the little background stamp. Now, sorry, there's something on my sponge dauber I just realized, and we need the sponge dauber for this. So let's move those over there. So this is another one of the giveaways with the ephemera that I've been telling you about. So this is a drawing that will happen on 3/12/2025. Let me show you. There's just, guys, this is just a little something. So this is intended to be a birthday card. That being said, I want the birthday from this because this is going to go on our envelope. So there it is. Put that back in there. Handy dandy little set of stamps, I'm telling you. So we have this one that says forever. It's the little bird. And then this one says, with birthday greetings. It isn't the years that count today when we think of our love for you, but how you have lived them, your cheery way, and the kindly things that you do. So these two, I think, go together. So we're going to put them on our card together. One on the inside, one on the outside. But of course, that's all up to you. And that is my third little giveaway. Something simple, right? So let's check out what I have in my little goodie box. In my little notes, right? Use a mask, Basic Beige, and elements of text. My little notes. Yes. And the mask I'm going to be using is basically this stencil. I showed you them. I've lost the package of them, guys. I'm not sure. Oh, here they are. I put them away, but these 3 were not in there. So this one, these were just, it says stencils for painting on wood, wall, and furniture. There's 18 of them. They were on Amazon. I think they were like $6.99 or something like that. My daughter got them for me. I love this one. We're going to use it with some Basic Beige. Now that I found that needs the others to go in it. I have a Kraft envelope. I have a cream colored card base that is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Now I have a did my measurement 25. Yes, this is 4 by 5 1/4. So 4 by 5 1/4. So 1/2 of the card base from kit. So what about this is Paper Pumpkin? This right here. Paper Pumpkin. You can do, we're going to use Sending Love. You could do Hello Spring. It's up to you what you want to do. I'm making it a birthday card because of the ephemera I'm using. So then I have a 1 3/8 by 5 1/4 piece of Kraft. Why? Because this is 1 3/8. It was scrap piece. You guys know me. I use my scraps, right? And this piece, it was 1 1/8. piece of Very Vanilla, and I cut it to 5. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little edge piece here that roughs it up, and I'm going to rough up the top and the bottom of both the Kraft and the Vanilla. Just lightly. I'm not going to go all, you know, out on this. You could use the edge of scissors because this has a little wavy edge to it. So I'm just, you know, distressing this a little bit. Oops. That one we're going to stamp on with the elements of text. So top and the sides of one side, not both sides, because one side you are not going to see much of. At least I don't think so anyways. We'll see. If I have to change up my plans, I will. But all I wanted was those two roughed up a bit. They're going to go like this. That's going to go like so. And I'm still happy with just doing the one edge. This is just going on the inside. So let's get it done. Yes, I threw away my scrap paper. I did. And here I go. You guys are going to laugh. Do you know what I'm going to do? Yes, I'm laughing at myself as well. Because of the stencil, right? And I'm going to stamp off on this so this one stays a little nicer. It happens, right? It just happens. So we need this piece because we're going to do both on it. So we're going to stamp. It could probably go full strength. We have two sides. It can probably take full strength. Well, maybe we should do full strength. If I don't like it, I'll flip it over. So we're going to go full strength. Oh yeah, definitely full strength because I haven't re-inked this ink pad. If I had re-inked the ink pad, maybe a different story. Okay, and right there covers that whole bit. And the script is smaller than the French script. Now we're going to take Basic Beige and we're going to stencil this. And we're going to go like in an angle so we get, you know, more of it and we don't get some of that stemmy bit. Yes, I did right on top of it. Sorry if the camera bounces a bit, but I'm really pouncing on this. I want it good and covered. Look at that, right? So I don't want to go over anything. I just want to go any stencil you have. You could use some of the basic patterns that I have used in the past. I'm just using a smaller stencil is all. I'm going to use this on the envelope as well. Look how pretty that is. It's just a little, you know, a little decorative bit. So then I'm going to take this and I'm going to go on the edge. Just 3 sides. Now I'm going to take it off and I'm going to come in and do a little bit, bring in more color in some of those areas. Doing a little, trying to get it a little more on the tone of that in some shaded area bits. That's all. All right. I think I'm good on everything. So let's take a look-see. That's what we do, right? We take a look-see. We don't need that. We just need this on this bit, on this bit, I love that. Little vintage vibe going on here. Look at how pretty that is. This, of course, is going on the inside. Look how pretty that is. A couple of those antique pearls, and it's really gonna just sing. It just is. And we are gonna pop this up on dimensionals, and a couple of little antique pearls. 1, 2, and 3. Yes. Are you feeling it with me? I think so. Okay, so let's get this done. And it wasn't too long, right? Doing that. Just a few steps. I don't think that was too bad. Be a pretty little bookmark, right? Oh, I do love making the bookmarks, guys. I need more time. So that's done. Let's glue this to the card base. We are going to stencil, maybe add a little bit of that text to the inside as well. This down. Dimensional tray. Oh, we gotta put them. I was like, I wondered if I needed them everywhere, but apparently I do. The answer is yes, you do. I don't want them on the floor, as I did clean up the other day. You can see I'm still bruised from blood drawn. Doctor wanted some blood. Look at that. All right, antique pearls is what I'm looking for. 1, 2, and 3. This one, we're going to go medium ones. I haven't really used these, so we're going to put one here. One there. And one right here. I just think those are perfect. Just a beautiful birthday card, right? I mean, look at that. That is beautiful. And it was so simple. So simple. So what do we want? Do we want to add a little text? So we're going to add a little text. Ooh, really inky. Don't fear. Don't flip out. Where's my little scratch paper? Maybe I did re-ink it. Okay, there's that. Stencil time. I dropped my sponge dauber on the floor and there's dog hair on the floor. Of course there is, because I have little TT. Pick up all that good ink there and pick it up so we can use it. Move that down. Right? And let's add our little, I mean, we could, if you wanted, you could add it over here so you could stamp happy. You know what? Maybe we will do that. We're going to add this over on this side. I mean, we're going to add it to this side so that we can actually stamp the happy birthday. Okay, that's done. Oh, and it's a Kraft envelope. I know, don't act so surprised. You just saw that. Well, I am. I just... To a wonderful friend. And then we want sending love, if I can figure... There it is. From this kit. We have to have a little few stamps from this kit, right? There we go. Now we can take the text, add that right there, just ever so slightly. And then let's take this and just, not sure how well it's, Kraft is this funny bit, is it's really, oops. Boy, I'm like, it's really hard to see. Unless it's a dark ink. But it's there. It's just slightly. We're going to add this one. There we go. Check, check, and done. And that's not too bad, right? Look at that, with birthday greetings, happy birthday, and that's my card. Oh, I can put that back in the recycle bin. Yes, I told you, don't think that I won't, because I will. So I hope you guys like it, and I hope that those of you who receive them appreciate them. It's not much, guys. It's just there were 2 of them. I might as well share. I've already made a card with them, and what is so great for me is that I get this opportunity to use things like this. They were meant for my scrapbooking, but I was going to do this floral inspired scrapbook for my mother, and I never got around to making it, and it's too late now. I mean, it's too late now, and it never got done, so I have all these things to use, and it's wonderful now that I get to share them with you. So thank you for giving me that opportunity, and I hope that if you like them, you make a comment, and that, you know, I know three people, whoever, you know, if anybody makes a comment, will receive them. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I sincerely hope that you come back and visit me here in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.